Excellent customer service is expected. Many have it, many still want it, but all customers expect it. So as customer needs become increasingly complex, we got to have another solution in our sleeve for when things get chaotic. And that is customer self-service. It can deliver an improved customer experience while relieving pressure on your customer support team. Today I'm going to show you how you can establish an effective customer self-strategy that can improve both customer satisfaction levels and reduce costs. Let's do this. First things first, what is customer self-service? Well, it's a customer service approach where customers can access and easily manage their accounts, products, and services themselves without the need for customer service personnel. Now, this is an approach where you give your customers the tools and materials to solve potential problems themselves without the help of you or your support. Of course, the idea is not to completely cut your customers from help. Still, there may be those who prefer to talk with support and those who would try to solve the problem themselves. That's why, apart from providing your customers with excellent customer service, you also got to have an excellent customer self-strategy in place. And there are a whole lot of benefits from implementing a self-service strategy as well, like savings. Businesses can save a significant amount of money by investing in self-service tech, since they can reduce the number of support teams they need to hire and train. Now, self-service tech can also help automate many tasks that customer service reps typically perform, such as common questions. Convenience. Customers can use self-service channels to get the information or assistance they need on their own schedule without waiting on hold or scheduling an appointment. And from a business point of view, they can provide self-service options 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, which can help improve customer satisfaction and loyalty. Improved customer retention. When customers are satisfied with the service they receive, they are more likely to continue doing business with a company. Now, additionally, they are more likely to tell others about their positive experiences, which can help attract new customers. Let's get into the self-service strategy. Number 1, define your goals. The first thing, obviously, in any strategy is the goal. Why are you thinking of self-service? What do you want to achieve with it? What can it improve? You must consider which departments or areas of your business to bring the self-service and how it will work. Now, apart from these questions, you also have to understand the self-service customer journey and how it could look in your business. Number 2, customer journey. Before thinking about the self-service customer journey, make sure you know your customers well. Think of how they would approach self-service, what their journey would look like with it. You want to know how and why they shop in your store and which payment method they prefer. You most likely already have a list of common questions. Build solutions to the most common needs first, and that's how you'll have a base for the starting point of your customer journey. See what they search for and pay attention to their searches that come up empty. This can give you a lot of information on what they look for and what they need, but you currently don't have. You can learn a lot by following a customer's journey, seeing what obstacles are in the way, and how they approach a certain problem. Number 3, how are you going to provide self-service? You have a wide range of options available for providing self-service, from a customer self-service portal and live chat systems to self-checkouts and virtual assistants. Here's an example. Self-service kiosks have become very popular in retail stores. They reduce labor costs and free up a support team for more important tasks. Uber is another great example of self-service success. Their ride-sharing app allows customers to order and pay for rides in just a few taps on their smartphones. So here are some examples of self-service tools you can use. Number 1, FAQ page. Whether you're a retailer or another kind of company, an FAQ page is a must-have to help customers find quick answers to their questions. Now, these answers must be simple and concise. Share the basics, share the possibilities, and the answers to the common questions. Your customers can service themselves with all the information you provided on your website. Now, if your customers want more information about a specific feature, then you can have a knowledge base. So point number 2. Knowledge base. A self-service knowledge base is a virtual space where customers can look up information about the product or service they are inquiring about. It can provide articles, videos, and other valuable resources. Now, by setting up a customer self-service portal, customers can search through your database information and find the exact help they're looking for. Now, it benefits both businesses and customers since it helps create a help center where businesses can publish how-to articles, answer frequently asked questions, and categorize them logically. Not only do these features make it convenient for customers to search for what they need, but they also make sure that your content can be found through your own search bar as well as internet search engines like Google. I'll leave a link in the description for you if you're interested in building KnowledgeBase, because we have a solution that does exactly that. Number 3, Chatbot. Chatbots let you offer a communication support channel that doesn't require users to leave your website or app. Instead, they can get help at the tap of a button while staying on the part of your site or app they need assistance with. The younger generations seem to favor self-service to interacting with customer service reps, and self-service can be automated. With the use of targeted messages, you can proactively offer links to your knowledge base. If a customer hesitates on a particular page or a popular product, why not extend an invitation and then they can just check the answer for themselves? Using the integration with KnowledgeBase, you can direct the customers contextually straight to the answer of their question. Now, detailed tutorials, online courses, and everything in your knowledge base are valuable tools for customers trying to solve a problem without contacting you. However, it's not always ideal for those users who are in a hurry and need a quick answer. A chatbot can make this information more accessible and simpler to digest and provide a more effective search method for the resource they need. When tackling a technical problem, users who do not know the right technical terms to describe their problem may have difficulty finding relevant information. And an AI chatbot can help them narrow their problem through simple questions they don't need technical knowledge to answer. And lastly, after you start your self-service strategy, take a look at the metrics and see what you can improve. Number 4, establish metrics and ways to improve. There are always ways to improve, even if it's just slightest bit. So don't just stay with one solid strategy, keep finding new ways to improve it. Right, that's all for this video. Now you know what a self-service strategy is and why you should use it. See you soon.